Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Spotify not showing songs in playlist. If you're using Spotify and your songs are not showing, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you just have to make sure that you're on the latest version on your Spotify. So open up your app store and here go for search and you have to simply search for Spotify. And here you have to make sure that you haven't any update available, or if you have any update you have to simply tap on the update option and it will start updating your application. And once you have updated your app, you have to recheck if your problem is solved or not. If you're still having the same issue, so what you have to do, you just have to open up your settings, then go for general, go for iPhone storage, and you just have to look for Spotify here. Simply select the Spotify, then select offload app. Here select the offload app option again, and once you have uploaded your app, you will get the reinstall app option here. You must have to simply select that option, and once your app has been reinstalled, you can easily use your Spotify without any issues. In this way, you can easily fix Spotify not showing songs in your playlist. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.